The Daiquiri Cocktail recipe is a rum and citrus-forward classic of 3-ingredient minimalism, and it's a great one to have in your repertoire. Hey friends, if you watch my past video on the dark and stormy cocktail, you know that I'm a huge fan of minimalist cocktails, and this here is an all-time classic, and that is the original Daiquiri. Now, if you ever visited a chain restaurant in the 1990s, the word Daiquiri might mean a pinkish reddish frozen crushed ice strawberry drink. However, this is the original Daiquiri that, in a biblical sense, begat all daiquiris. So today we are going to make a Daiquiri with the original ingredients, and I'm also going to make a variation of a version I prefer. So we're gonna go with white rum, a simple syrup that's equal parts water and sugar, fresh lime juice, and in here we're going to shake it with ice and strain into a cocktail glass. We are going to start with a shaker tin. Got a scoop of ice in there. Now I am cutting the lime, and what I'm gonna do here is cut a slice like this, and then from the center of the slice I'm gonna come out. That's going to be our garnish. I'm gonna do about 1.5 ounces of white rum. I'm doing some simple syrup here. Now I'm gonna put my shaker glass. So simple, so delicious. If you love citrus, this is an amazing cocktail. Now, I love the classic version of this drink, but my personal favorite variation is a mashup of the margarita and the daiquiri. And so I replaced the rum with tequila, and I'm going to use a honey syrup instead of the simple syrup. And that is simply a mixture of 1 part honey to 1 part water. We are gonna start with some lime juice. And we want to do the tequila. Now we have our honey syrup. And what I love about the honey syrup is that it's such a distinctive flavor. Now you see the golden color of the honey syrup compared to, say, the simple syrup, and you're gonna get the additional flavor boost. And here is the variation of the classic daiquiri with tequila and honey syrup. Oh, it smells so good. If you love a daiquiri, give this version a try.